This can be quite tricky, but I'll show you another way to replace the battery without removing the air intake. So join me for a full step-by-step replacement, including info on the battery size and what to expect after installation. So the first step to removing this cover is to undo these 3 bolts. Then remove the rubber trim about halfway. And then loosen these 2 plastic nuts just behind the cover. Push the pin through on this side and unhook it on the other side. Next is this small cover on the side, held in place with a plastic push fastener. You basically have to pull the center pin to release the fastener. Now we have 2 bolts to remove this front cover. This one here on top. And the other one down there. This cover can now slide out, but because the airbox is in the way, lift it about halfway and then unclip the vent tube first. I'll show you where it's located just now. At this point, it's best to disconnect the negative terminal first, but be extra careful not to touch the positive terminal with your tools. Then there's the hold down bracket down at the base of the battery. I removed the whole thing, but I'm sure you can just loosen it about halfway to release the tension on the battery. On the positive, I'm going to loosen this cable first and then the actual clamp on the battery post. With all of the cables out of the way, the battery can now be removed. Now this particular Mini had the 70 amp hour AGM, but I have seen other Minis with the 80 amp hour AGM, so you'll have to match accordingly. I'll share the specs of this battery a bit later. Here you'll see why it might have been better to leave the bracket down there, but see what works for you. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. A lot of effort goes into making these videos, so help us get these numbers up. Then we'll start by fitting the positive terminal first. I usually open the clamp with a screwdriver to push the terminal down as low as possible on the battery post. The front cover can now go back, but don't forget to fit the vent tube. We're about to put all the covers back, so the negative can now be secured. If you're not sure where to fit this cover, just line up these two holes. The 70 amp hour will have these dimensions, with the 80 amp hour about 30 millimeters longer in length. Sometimes there's a stopper in place to fit a bigger battery, but it seemed like this tray could only fit this size. To extend the battery's lifespan, registration is also recommended by the manufacturer. You shouldn't have any warnings on startup, and a radio code isn't necessary, but you might need to set the one-touch windows. Press and hold the button all the way down and hold it down for about 3 seconds after it's fully open. Then do the same for closing and repeat for each one touch window.